We got an awesome question that recently came in, and it's one that I don't think gets covered off nearly enough in the asphalt industry. It is this: when is asphalt just not worth repairing anymore? Asphalt maintenance really is designed to extend the life of pavement, but there actually comes a point in time where sealing, patching, and crack filling is basically throwing money at the surface and wasting it. And here's how you know it's time to replace it instead of repair. If you're seeing severe alligator cracking, large sunken areas, or crumbling of the asphalt, that usually means that the base layer underneath has completely failed. You can also see water coming up from the foundation, which means that there's probably clay, and when you drive a large or heavy vehicle on top of it, water comes right up through, and no amount of surface patching is ever going to fix that bad foundation. So another red flag that we see with repairs failing is when someone goes and repairs that same spot time and time again. If cracks and potholes keep coming back over and over again, that's a sign that the base is probably compromised. And if more than 35% of the surface is deteriorated, sealing or patching isn't cost effective. We've seen guys seal coat over top of dirt. It will never work. Your client will end up spending almost as much as replacement without getting the lifespan that they actually should out of the asphalt. And of course, age matters as well. Pavement over 20 years old with poor maintenance is usually better off being replaced. Now, here's where contractors in our Asphalt Kingdom network get a huge advantage. You see, we've built a proprietary pavement assessment module inside of AK Dash that makes this decision process crystal clear for facility managers, property managers, and property owners. It actually uses the Pacer scale rating pavement from 1 to 10 and then automatically calculates when maintenance makes sense versus when replacement is the only honest recommendation. And that means that you're not just telling a client what you think, they actually see the data in black and white, and that builds trust. It closes deals faster, and it sets you apart as a true pavement solutions expert. Remember, clients love to work with people that they know, like, and trust. So I'm interested in what you think. Have you come across a parking lot or driveway where repairs just aren't worth it or weren't worth it? Go ahead and comment down below. Drop your thoughts in those comments. I'd love to hear more about your experiences. And also, if you want to see how the AK Dash pavement assessment tool can change the way that you sell and deliver to clients and close way more deals, click that link below to check it out. We'll see you on the inside of AK Dash.